from Corpus Christi has some turbine troubles.
Yeah, this is Ram's house. Okay, he sent us this picture, and I can't really see the roof, but he wanted us to show you this is his house. And Ram wants to know.
I want to make sure it wasn't his airplane with the turbine troubles.
That's true.
Oh.
That's true. Okay. Anyway, so Ram wants to know. Leave that there. Does he need turbines and an air vent if he does a ridge vent on the house? One contractor says, Tom, that the city requires it. Three contractors say no. Which is it?
Ridge vent. No city. I don't know why a guy would even say that, because there's not much money in putting a turbine on a house. So if that's the best sale gimmick he's got, he's not going to be very rich.
He needs to find another line of work.
Yes. So, no, if he's got ridge vents, soffit vents, that's it. Let it go. You're done. Move on to other things.
All right, because it sounds like he's upgrading. He's going to put the ridge vents in. So just make sure you have enough soffit vents is what you're saying.
Oh, yeah, soffit vents and ridge vents. You have to have soffit vents with the turbines. You have to have them with the power ventilators. You have to have them with everything. But hopefully you have that. The ridge vent, though, is the cream of the crop. It's the top of the line. That's why everybody uses them.
It is. So you need in, you need out. The soffit in, ridge vents out.
Right. If you can get it in, you can get it out.
Same goes for your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. The host says, moving along quickly. Click on the Ask Tom button right there in the middle of our home page. Fill it out, send it in. We'll answer it just like this, and we'll post it on our website right there, HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, and our Facebook page. If you haven't followed us on Facebook, we'd sure appreciate it.